Hey guys, I'm out here at a new site that I've never been to before, just exploring today. You can see the creek back behind me here, so hopefully there's going to be some gravel and possibly some shark teeth, so we'll see guys, hoping for the best. Alright guys, you can see how the creek's running down here, going around that bend a little bit, so I'm about to get in and see if I can find some gravel, hopefully some shark teeth. Well, no shark teeth yet guys, but find some interesting stuff down here in between the logs. Check it out down there. So far, let's see if I can pull this up. Got a bottle, not bad. We'll see what else is down here. There's stuff that gets caught in between these logs. Looks like some bark or roofing. Rock. Alright, this area might be a little bit easier to see, but same idea. Let's see what we get down here. There's a bottle of some sort. Let's see what else. One of the big rocks. There's a can. Looks like an old Bud Light can or something. And I think there's one more down here. Another can. Looks like an old Miller Lite or something. But I'll keep checking these crevices and see what I can find. Alright guys, a little bit further down, there's actually like a cap or something down there. So let me pull this up. I don't know. Huh, I don't know about that. Looks like, let me see if it's got any writing on it or something. It says Boyd's cap for mason jar. Genuine. Huh. Looks like a mason jar cap or something. So that's interesting. If you guys can see that. See that? Boyd's cap. There's mason down there, that word. Mason jar, genuine. Huh. So who knows? Mason jar caps. Maybe there's something else down there. Alright guys, so I've been digging for quite a while out here. Haven't found any shark teeth or any fossils. So I'm thinking it might not be the right formation or the right creek for me. But I am going to check out this bend back here just to make sure there's nothing around the corner. I'm probably going to head to a creek that I know has shark teeth in it. So I'm looking forward to that. Alright guys, so let's come around this corner. Found a couple things here. I mean, they got like random bottles and stuff. And then, check this out guys. What does that look like to you? Well, like, what is that? I don't know. Let me pull it up here. I don't even know what the heck this is. Look at that guys. Oh my gosh. I think that's an Xbox controller. Yep, looks like it. Wow, what the heck? That thing is so far gone though. Jeez. What in the world? You just never know what you're gonna find out here. That thing is insane. Golly. Look at the buttons and everything. Oh god, everything is just jammed up. Oh, this thing is so dead. Oh well. Cool find though. Alright guys, so managed to get in the creek that I know of. It has teeth in it, and it's been quite a while actually, but I'm going to show you guys this one. Check out that tooth right down there. Heck yeah. That's a great white. Oh yeah. Nice one too. It's good to find a tooth. But also important to explore new sites. You never know what you're gonna find out there. Also got one down there, looks like a broken one. And there is a big tooth up here somewhere. Let me see if I can find it again. Oh, it's behind that rock actually. There's a big squally corax. Nice tooth. Check that out. Big squally corax. So not bad. Good handful there. I'm gonna keep working this area, see if I can get some more. Alright guys, so I was hunting in the creek and I felt something snag my leg. And you know, good thing I got boots on, because check out this lure that I just found, guys. This thing is nasty. Super sharp. It looks like a little octopus or like something like that, but man, going through my foot would have been terrible. You can see the tip right there. So crazy looking lure. I don't think there's a fishing pole in it or anything. It's just found it snagged around my foot. So crazy. Wow, do you guys see that one? Holy crap. Right there. Man. I'm about to pull it out here. Oh no! Has a broken root. Oh no. That stinks. Man, that would have been super nice. Oh man. Oh well. Alright guys, check out this one. Got a crow down there. See it? Pretty nice tooth. I will take that any day. Nice one. Sweet. Alright guys, so besides the Xbox controller and the bottles, here's what I found from the two creeks. Pretty amazing stuff, good variety. Got a fishing lure down there, got tons of shark teeth, we got great whites, makos, squally corax, tigers, even copperlight or fossilized shark poop there on the tip of my fingers. So really cool. Got some great content coming up, guys. I got even a giveaway video coming up, so definitely stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.